Making a steak knife like this requires way more fossil fuels than grilling any steak. Now, I would never eat a steak personally, but let's talk about how steak knives are made. Stainless steel starts as a bunch of rocks, but making that stainless steel itself is only part of the energy that's consumed. We then need to form that stainless steel into blanks, press them into shape, and then the real energy comes in. See, stainless steel coming out of the furnace is soft. To make it retain that nice sharp edge, we need to heat treat it. And that requires baking that steel still over 1,000 Celsius. And today, most of that energy is coming from fossil fuels, meaning that making knives is a pretty dirty process. For example, the emissions from making just 3 sets of knives is the same as taking a non-stop flight from New York to Boston. And if you think about how many knives you've come across, you can imagine how those emissions pile up. So I always like to say the real danger from using a knife is the pollution that goes into making it. And the best way to reduce this pollution is by giving heavy industry a new fuel to use, one that's cleaner and safer. And this is exactly what we're working on at Found Energy.